5 reasons you can sue your employer. People throw around, I'm going to sue my employer all the time. These are some of the actual legal reasons you could bring a claim. Discrimination. If you're treated unfairly because of a protected characteristic, that could be discrimination under the Equality Act. Unfair dismissal. If you've been dismissed and your employer didn't have a fair reason to dismiss you, or they didn't follow a fair process, you could have a claim for unfair dismissal. And the law on this is changing next year. Unpaid wages. If your employer hasn't paid you properly, whether that's wages, overtime, holiday, that could be an unlawful deduction of wages. Constructive dismissal. If your employer seriously breaches your employment contract and you resign because of it, that can be constructive dismissal. This is one of the hardest claims to prove with a 5% success rate. Failure to make reasonable adjustments. If you qualify as disabled and your employer doesn't put reasonable adjustments in place, that could also be a legal claim. But here's the reality. Not every bad situation at work is something that you can sue over, and not every claim is straightforward. Just because something feels unfair doesn't always mean it's unlawful. And this isn't a quick win. Most tribunals have been scheduled for 2 years' time, and it is a lot of stress and admin to go through that process. One person recently reached out to me who had a massive employment tribunal win, said they would never ever do it again, despite having a 6-figure settlement. So don't underestimate the stress that this causes, but as long as you're prepared for that, make sure you follow the process, engage ACAS as early as possible, and get some good legal advice for the best chance of winning your claim.